Good afternoon, this is Dinesh. I'm doing internship program in SSC Samsung University campus. I'm here to give presentation on my project, multilingual medical chatbot. Coming to the chatbot, actually many Indians face a barrier that they don't have a chatbot that gives answers in their native language. So I built a chatbot with multiple languages. Uh, my chatbot can give answers in languages such as Hindi, Telugu, Tamil, Kannada, and English. The system architecture involves initially the user will give prompt on his own language, then the model will detect the language, and it will go to the LLM, which I usually serve on, because it was manually trained on various Indian languages, so I choose it, and I fine tune it on medical data. Then the based on the user query, the LLM will generate the appropriate output. Then I integrated with Gradio chatbot to show the output. The training pipeline involves the main problem here is Indian language data set is not available on anywhere. So what I did is I taken English samples and I using translation I convert that English dataset samples into various Indian languages, and using that data I fine tune my model. The reason I chosen Sarvam was it was massively trained on Indian language datasets. And here are some of the datasets I taken from Hugging Faces. And this is the fine tuning architecture parameters that I change it to get appropriate output. And this is the inference pipeline where the first involves user query, then language detection, then prompt construction and model generation. Actually, while building this model, I have tried many different combinations and I failed. So I have shown some of my challenges. Initially, I used Quen LLM. Then, due to it doesn't train on Indian languages, it's failed to give the answer. Then, like that, I used various combinations, and finally, my model is trained on Sarvam LLM and LoRa fine tuning with Indic Trans 2. Here are some of the results my chatbot gives. Here are the text tags where I use it for my chatbot. This is the future work which I want to extend my project. Here is my code. Initially, I installed various libraries that requires for building the model. Then I loaded a translator. Initially said that I didn't found dataset on regional languages, so I convert the English dataset into regional languages. For that I used this. This cells loads the dataset from Hugging Faces. Using the token, I just imported the datasets from Hugging Face. So this cell will translate the English dataset into Indian languages like in Hindi, Telugu, Kannada, and Tamil. So after preparing the dataset, now I trained the model. This cell I imported the Sarvam LLM and I fine tune it with the training data. This is the fine tuning step. So now I will test my chatbot. Here you can see various examples like I asked in Hindi language and Tamil and Kannada, Telugu. Now I will test randomly on one. So here is my output and thank you for giving me this opportunity.